Does look really cute.
Love that.
Hey guys, it's Tony. Sorry, my daughter's wearing overalls and she feels like super restrained, so she's like not having it. Anyways, DOGELON or dog, however you guys pronounce it, DOGELON, officially trading on Crypto.com. And I guess I forecasted this back in what, the November 4th. So I guess I was pretty right. It was either gonna bounce from here to the upside, which it already did, or it was gonna bounce all the, or it was gonna go all the way down to like the 783 level and then jump right back, right? Which it kind of did both, right? It kind of waked all the way down and then rebounded. I can guarantee you, this is like a, I don't know. This will be like a. This looks too short to be a 618. This looks like a 768 768 on the fib, 786. What is it? Hold up. It is a, yeah, look at that, almost a 786 on the fib. Bam. So super overextended, right? It would have been pretty ideal to get in on DOGELON back here at the 0.618 retracement. It wicked all the way down to almost that 786 fib level, right? That 0.00084 thing. Shout out to Toan Tran, who just became a Patreon member. So thank you to Toan. Shout out to them. Oh yeah, if you want to join the Patreon, I know I'm pretty bad about linking it on my YouTube. I'll start linking it and stuff because I got a lot of people that ask me, and I always forget. I'm still new at the whole creator thing, and I'm like really bad at linking stuff. So I'll definitely link it. But yeah, DOGELON officially got listed on Crypto.com. I think it's gonna moon, man. I honestly think it's gonna run pretty high. I mean, just taking this off. I mean, it's pretty. We'll take the forecast off, right? But man, looking at the daily, it looks like you're gonna run pretty hard, especially since you're already kind of overbought on the stochastic too. This thing is gonna run hard, man. I can tell you guys that right now. Last time we had a bull triggers was like right here, right? You ran what, 0.0002105 in 4 days. You know, I'm thinking as soon as you actually close a bullish day, I'd say the same thing. So what is it? 4 days. What is it? 2105. How many zeros is that? Oh, man. I'm assuming it's like right here somewhere. So 2105, 2105, 2103. That's close enough right there. So DOGELON, is that the right amount of zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5 zeros. It's always hard when it's like when the zeros are like that much. But yeah, I think my new forecast for DOGELON is gonna be close to 4004. So like 40 microcents or whatever. So a full 100% gain from where we are now. It got listed on Crypto.com. You still have that bullish trigger that's got to get that's going to actually happen maybe sometime this week, today, tomorrow, Tuesday, probably. And you're gonna see that nice push because you have all this room to run up before you really hit any resistance on that 89 level on the stochastic. So yeah, I say I'm pretty darn bullish right now, man. You see, look, stochastic is hitting resistance from over here. Look at that 40, perfect, dude. DOGELON, whatever, perfect entry. You can easily see 110% gain from DOGELON right now. I would personally wait till confirmation till we actually close a bullish day. So I would probably see less gains from this. But I'd say that especially because it just got listed on Crypto.com, I say you can easily see 100% gain from here, and you can see it run to like what is it? That 40 microcent level, 4004 level in, I don't know, by this week, probably. I mean, it looks like you're going to close bullish, and it looks like the candle keeps running up. So DOGELON, man, I can easily see, like that price target right there, right? So let's make this easier for everybody. Like right here, whatever, almost 400. So I'd say like that 4040 microcent level in like 4 days or so. I could easily see that happening. So which would be like the end of this week, probably, maybe midweek. So we'll see what happens. But as of right now, super bullish. Crypto.com listing, I can definitely see it pushing about 100%. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.